I promise by the end of this video you will stock up on one of the most delicious and cost-effective foods in the world. This video is on the power of canned Spam. Love it or hate it, Spam is where it's at. Whether it's being hated by service members during World War II, mocked by comedians throughout the years including the Muppets, or even having its name being used as the poster child of unwanted virtual mail, you can't deny the staying power and practicality of Spam. One of the staples of home preparedness is canned meat. Veggies are pretty easy with a variety of affordable options. Bread can easily be made by just adding water to the pancake mix. But meat is altogether a different beast. Tuna gets gross after a while, beans get old really quick, and there are many recipes for Vienna sausages, which isn't very good. So what is the alternative for most people who need a safe, reliable source of meat? Just in case of any world crisis or you just can't be bothered to run to the store? Here are 5 reasons why you should buy Spam for your home storage. First, it's dense in calories with 180 calories per serving, and since most cans having 6, this equals to 1080 per can. Second, it can be easily stored and transported. Spam has a metal casing that it is stored in, which means that if you had to move fast and you needed food, just slap this in your bag and go. Third, pest control. Just like for number 2, Spam is a great option if you wanted to protect your precious products from mice or other critters getting into your supplies. Since it does have that metal separation between the meat from the outside world, there is no problem storing this. Plus, think about the warehouses that store mountains of Spam. If they are fine, then you are as well. Fourth, Spam has a 2 to 5 year shelf life. Awesome, just awesome. Not needing to replace this every year means that you don't have to rush and eat it. This allows you to spread this product out over time. Fifth, there are a wide variety of recipes. If you want to go with the Hawaiian style of musubi, put it in beans, or even Spam sandwiches, you have an endless variety of options with Spam. Lastly, just like with most products, Spam has its faults, so here's one. Spam has a lot of sodium. Be very careful with serving sizes. 33% of it, or 770 milligrams of this, is just that. So portion control by cutting smaller slices, or put it with food that is sodium-free like some beans or rice to give it flavor. Tell us about any other cost-effective options that we all should stock up on. Like or subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with everyone you know. See you soon.